गुड मर्निङ नानी हो। यस वर्षका 2021 मा माध्यमिक परीक्षा दिने विद्यार्थीहरूको निम्ति प्रश्न उत्तर म यहाँ गरेर तिमीहरूलाई बताइरहेको छु। राम्ररी हेर्छौ र फर्स्ट च्याप्टर एक्सोजेनेटिक प्रोसेस एन्ड रिजल्टेन्ट ल्यान्डफर्म्सको बारेमा। नम्बर 1 क्वेसन, द प्रोसेस बाई विच द हाइट्स अफ द अर्थ सर्फेस इन्क्रिजेस इज, आन्सर इज एग्रेडेसन। So there are 4 options. You have to choose one. Which one is correct? Okay. The deep cracks on the surface of the mountain glacier are called crevasses. The gorge formed in arid region is called canyon. Birdfoot Delta is formed at the mouth of the Missouri River. Okay. The next one is the process by which natural agents reshapes the existing landscape cover. The earth's surface is known as exogenetic process. Potholes is formed by abrasion. Like that. Next question. Ross Mountainy is created by the work of glacier. A landform produced by glacial erosion is called moraine. Next question is, a large depression formed by the deflection is called blowout. Next question, the gore is formed by the action of wind. Wind action as an agent of denudation is arid region. Surge of common in the mountain area. Malaspina Glacier of Alaska is an example of Piedmont Glacier. The main erosional process of river over salt dominated rock is solution. The deepest ocean of the world is Pacific. The deposition on the convex part of the meander is point bar. Monadnock can be formed in the region of plain. Landforms developed by the activity of wind and the flowing water is Piedmont. Angular shaped depositional landform created by a glacier is called Kim. The largest reservoir of the fresh water on the earth is glacial ice. Next question, the factor responsible for the melting of ice caps and consequent rise in the sea. The answer is global warming. The sharp spur between two cores is called erratics. The main activity of a river in the lower course is deposition. Exogenetic forces is slow action. When the sun, moon and the earth comes in a line is called syzygy. Syzygy. Cospet Delta is observed at the mouth of the river Elbro. The hills originated by the wind erosion is in desert region is called Inselberg. The longest glacier of the world is Lambert. Yardang are formed by wind erosion. Riverine canyon is formed in dry. And erosional landforms of a river is meander. All the land drained by a river, its tributaries and distributaries is called river basin. Global warming affected deltaic region by submerging coastal areas. The next question is, Matterhorn of Switzerland is an example of erratics. Okay, यहाँसम्म भयो तिमीहरूको मल्टिपल चोइस। यस पार्टबाट आउने सम्भाव्य मल्टिपल चोइस क्वेसनहरू यस प्रकार छन्। अल्टिट्युड अफ स्नो लाइन भ्यारिज विथ ल्याटिट्युड, द्याट इज ट्रू. Potholes are formed at the base of waterfalls, falls. Sheep dunes are transformed from Barkhan dunes to Dun Valley are found in the middle Himalayas. Falls. Outwash plains are formed by glacial deposition. True. Zemu is a glacier of the eastern Himalayas. True. Baltora is a glacier of the Karakoram. True. Drumlins are low elongated hills formed by glacial deposition. True. Rapids are of much wider dimension than waterfalls. That is false. The new Moray Island is suspected to have submerged again. True. Floodplains are formed in glacial region. False. Canyon and the gorge represents very deep and narrow valley. Yes, true. The highest waterfalls in the world is the Nigeria. That is false. The knife-like separated ridge between two quarries is called an erratics. True. Hanging Valley originated due to the fluvial erosion is false. Tisco is the largest iron and steel plain in India. False. Degradation is an endogenous process. That is false. Quarries are common in the mountain areas. True. Pushkar is a glacial lake. False. The side cutting of a river is mostly found in the upper course. False. The cracks on the glacier are called crevasses. True. Maximum downcutting occurs in the middle course of the river is false. Waterfalls formed in the Nick Point. It's true. Weathering is an exogenetic process. It's true. And some more 3 questions are there. That is, the Ganga Brahmaputra Delta is the largest delta in the world. That is true. The moraines are common in glacial valley is true. And benchmark means the highest above level. MSL is